Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles. All meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market, which today brings us to this stunning BMW M5 competition finished off in Alpine White. This BMW M5 comes with a high desirable specification, including Comfort Plus package, heated and ventilated front electric memory seats with massage function, rear heated seats, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with gesture control, head-up display, BMW Connected Package Professional, ambient lighting, multifunction leather M Sport steering wheel, and split folding rear seats. In addition, this comes with soft closed doors, comfort access, visibility package with laser adaptive LED headlights and auto high beam assist, parking assistant plus, adaptive suspension, active guard and driving assistant plus. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from full black and Midrand BMW Merino Leather with dark aluminium carbon structure. Externally, this benefits an Alpine White paint finish, carbon fibre front splitter, side skirts, carbon fibre rear spoiler and 50th anniversary badges. This BMW M5 comes with full BMW service history with running and service conducted on time, having only covered 23,600 miles, and in excellent condition internally and externally. This really is a stunning individual example with a very high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_AutoHouse for the latest stock updates and services.